Ukraine continues to empower its army for the possibility of a conflict with Russia. But how strong is the Ukrainian army? Let's see. Ukrainian army was founded in 1917 to protect Ukraine from foreign threats. We're going to review the army in three subcategories: land, sea and air forces. Ukraine's current president is the 43-year-old Volodymyr Zelensky. The country's population is approximately 44 million, and its capital is Kyiv. Let's start with land forces. Ukrainian army has the total number of 1,245,000 personnel. 255,000 of these are active personnel, while 900,000 are reserve. The army consists of well-trained units. Ukraine gained its independence from the Soviet Union in 1991. The army preserved their inventory from the independence years. Since the start of the war in Donbass in April 2014 in eastern Ukraine, the Ukrainian side continues to upgrade its armed forces. In recent years, the army started to use more modern and technologically advanced equipment. The army does military exercises in order to be prepared for the Russian threat. Thanks to this, the Ukrainian army keeps its personnel trained and up to date. Let's continue with land systems. Tanks are the foundation of the Ukrainian army. The army has 2,430 tanks. They also have 11,435 armored vehicles, 785 self-propelled artillery, 2,040 towed artillery, and 550 rocket projectors. Military vehicles are upgraded with technological weapon systems. 155 of the tanks are the Ukrainian-made T-84. With its advanced armor, T-84 is one of the strongest tanks in the world. The Ukrainian army also has 340 T-80 tanks and 300 T-72 tanks. Rest of the tanks are T-64 tanks. In modern warfare, air forces are of crucial importance. In war, the one who controls the air controls the land too. Ukrainian Air Forces has a total number of 285 aircrafts. They are 42 fighters, 25 dedicated attack aircraft, 31 transport aircraft, 71 trainer aircraft, and 5 special mission aircraft. Air Forces also have 111 helicopters and 34 attack helicopters. After the Soviet collapse, lots of aircrafts were left to Ukraine. Ever since then, the Ukrainian Air Force has been downsizing and upgrading its forces. The main inventory of the Air Force still consists of Soviet-made aircraft. Air forces of Ukraine could not receive sufficient investment since the nation gained its independence. Therefore, they could not have developed much further. But still, the Ukrainian companies Ukroboronprom and Antonov maintained a great sum of Ukrainian aircrafts. In order to be prepared against the Russian threat, Ukraine bought 12 Turkish Bayraktar TB2 drones, as well as ordering another 48 of them. Finally, let's review the Navy. In 2014's Crimean crisis, Ukrainian ships were docked in Sevastopol harbors in Crimea. After the crisis, the ships were convicted by Russia. Later, Russia decided to give the assets back. But after the Donbass situation, they decided not to. Russia especially doesn't want to give Ternopil and Lutsk ships back, which are more modern ships. In the past, they were used for protection against threats coming from seas. But today, thanks to long-range weapon systems, they also serve land and air forces. But since the Ukrainian ships are in the hands of Russia, the Navy doesn't have a significant naval power. The Navy has 25 ships, but they are nothing but small patrol ships. Since Ukraine gave importance to defense forces in recent years, they have the annual budget of 9.6 billion for this purpose. Ukraine keeps upgrading and developing their army with modern equipments. Today, we reviewed the Ukrainian armed forces in the light of the recent rising tension between Russia and Ukraine. If you enjoy this kind of military content, don't forget to subscribe to VSB Defense. See you on the next video.